Alright, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna change the exhaust and put so this muffler here doesn't show. It's just gonna be a single, and we're gonna do it before and after sounding. Guys, you can start it up. That's what the factory exhaust, that's what it sounds like. Then I'll show you the after, and you can see the difference also with the view. When you're underneath, all you gotta do is remove 2 bolts from the support. Let's see if I can find it here. Support rubber piece here on both sides. Just 2 bolts, and then come and disconnect the muffler exhaust right there, and it should come right out. Alright, really quick. This piece here that we just put on the new exhaust was on here. The rubber piece was here. Everybody says, "Oh, I'll pull it off with a crowbar." I mean, literally, I just did it with force. Pushed it right off, and then just put it the same direction that it's going to be on the new exhaust. This piece goes screwed onto the Jeep, and this piece goes screwed onto exhaust, and that'll eliminate this big 10-pound. I'm going to weigh it, see how much it is, back onto the Jeep. It's that easy. So as you can see from here, just make sure the exhaust goes all the way in. I said hang it up here, put the screws back on, and this is what it's going to look like. And it's AFE Power. I'll put it in the link if you like the way it sounds in the installation. And as you can see, you tighten it up. Push it all the way in?
Yeah, it's all the way in there.
Alright. This is how much the exhaust weighs, 25.4. We just got rid of. So we'll see how much better it is and the way it sounds. Waiting for the car to cool down so we can give it a cold start till it warms up. Alright, let's see how the exhaust is gonna sound. Cold start.